Hello everybody, Jonathan Doucette here at St.Albert Dodge, showcasing a fresh trade, 2014 Chevrolet LTZ 1500 Silverado. Great platform. Let's take a look at the engine compartment. This particular one is optioned with the 6.2 liter V8 versus the 5.3, so a little more horsepower, 420 horsepower, 450 foot-pounds of torque. Quickly just talk about the fuel economy on these trucks. They have cylinder deactivation, so when you go into highway speeds or driving like 70 kilometers per hour, it'll actually go down to 4 cylinders and save you a whole bunch of fuel economy. Come along the side here. One thing that's kind of unique to the GM product is that these wheel liners in the front and the rear are made of like a heavy carpeted material, so that really increases the sound deadening capability of this truck. I personally owned a 2017 version of one of these, and it's even quieter than my Ram. Just with those is one of the features, just to actually help take out rock pings and everything. Beautiful running boards make getting in and out of the truck really easy. Come back here, one of the big features that I miss on any truck, and I think GM must have a patent on it, are these side steps. So just grab on here, really easy to get into the bed of your truck. You know, it's a little more complicated or a little more tougher on my current vehicles. Easy open tailgate, a nice beautiful 5'7" box. It does come with the fabric roll-up cover. Yeah, love to have you come down and take a look. We're going to jump inside and kind of go over some of the features on the inside. Okay, checking out the rear seating area of this vehicle. As you can see, it's got the 60/40 split. The bigger side is on the driver's side, so it's easier to store things. Has the WeatherTech mat all the way across the back. One thing that's kind of unique, they stopped doing this in 2015, I think to save a little bit of money, but after 2016 and newer, they call them ventilated seats. These are actually air conditioned seats. You can tell by the hard plastic covers in the back. So they actually pipe air conditioning through the seats, and as opposed to just having a fan below. So something a little unique on this generation of Silverado. Child safety anchors, seat tethers, sliding rear window, which is a nice addition to the sunroof, which we'll look at in a moment. But let's jump in the front. Hey everyone, John Doucette here, back again, showcasing the cockpit area of the Silverado. Beautifully finished vehicle. This is a Z71 package, something I didn't point out earlier, so we'll talk about that in a moment, but kind of going over some highline features. Have the sunroof, automatic open with a push of a button, garage door programmer with 3 doors. On your mirror control here as well too, you have what one of the famous GM features is the Onstar. So if you have a subscription, let me just turn this on here. Subscription Onstar, you can get remote start on your phone. You can get SOS, concierge service, a whole bunch of features. It's kind of what's sold a lot of GM vehicles over the years. Beautiful entertainment center up front. So you have your Sirius XM radio, touchscreen system, navigation, a few other settings that you can fine tune and change in there. You do have your heated seats. You can do a few different levels, or you can do your AC, like I was talking about earlier, as opposed to being an actual just vented. Dual climate control, so you have set them independently, the driver and the passenger, or you can push them and sync it, it'll reset it back to there. Tow haul mode is on the gear shifter. You do have the ability to manually select your gears, so if you are towing, you can hold a gear going down a hill, whatever you need to do. So on the steering wheel, you have some controls. You have the heated steering wheel button, just push that, turn that on. You also have your collision avoidance system. When I had my Silverado, it was 3 times that it's actually saved me from rear-ending somebody. So if that's on, it detects that you're going to hit somebody, or maybe getting a little too close. There is a little hole up here that'll flash a red laser in your laser. And so if you're looking the wrong way or adjusting the stereo, you'll bring your attention back. And it also vibrates your seat and makes an audible sound through the speakers. So it's really cool. Scared the crap out of me the first time that ever happened to me. On the left-hand side over here, of course, you have your automatic headlights, auto 4-wheel drive, 4 high, 2-wheel drive, and then also 4 low, and then your trailer brake controller. Coming back to the center stack for one quick second, I wanted to kind of go into depth on little things. Another safety feature is your lane departure, so you can turn that on and then it'll help prevent you from drifting out of your lane if you're on the highway. Also hill descent. So part of the Z71 package is you can engage that, and if you're going down a hill off road and 4 low, it'll keep you at a constant speed, so you're not riding your brakes. So if you're trying to just go down at 15, 20 kilometers per hour and don't want to ride your brake down the whole time, engage that, and it'll keep you there. Parking brake sensors, traction control, adjustable pedals is a big one too. So if you have long legs or short legs, you'll really appreciate that. Yeah, tons and tons of storage in this particular unit. USB ports, SD cards. So you load an SD card, have your music on there. Built-in 115-volt inverter over here. So if you have a laptop you want to charge up, or use your fast charger on your iPhone or something like that, you can plug it in there and it'll get that pure high voltage, high wattage. Tons of stuff to go over. I could probably make an hour-long video on this. Would love to have you come down and take a look. This thing interior is absolutely spotless in this truck. It's very, very well kept. Yeah, give me a shout on my personal cell, 780-952-3018. Talk to you soon.